The HONOR X9 series has long been recognized across the industry for its resilience and durability. This is the HONOR X9c, the latest in the X series that takes toughness to the next level. The HONOR X9c has been upgraded with ultra-tough triple defense, drop resistant, 360-degree water resistant, and scratch resistant. Its new anti-drop 3.0 technology allows it to withstand drop from up to 2 meters onto hard surfaces like marble, cobblestones, and asphalt. So be careful, keep away your X9c from your home tiles as it might break them. HONOR is so confident in its products that offer triple defense, triple assurance warranty, which includes a 365-day front and back crack replacement, 180-day one-to-one replacement, and a 36-month battery health assurance. There are significant upgrades over its predecessor, including a larger 6600 mAh silicon carbon battery without adding additional weight or thickness. It even charges faster at 66 watts. Flagship tier 6.78-inch 120Hz OLED display with eye comfort. The panel even boosts up to 400 max peak brightness. HONOR listened to user feedback and added a stereo dual speakers with 300% max volume. The 108-megapixel primary cameras now include OIS for steadier and sharper shot. More info about the HONOR X9c on pricing, promotions, and availabilities on 5th November. Full review coming soon on my tech site. Thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you at the next one.